Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to make a hole. So we'll create for the new part in millimeter. Start to the sketch and choose the top plane. You can draw a rectangle, click finish, and use the extrude tools to convert into 3D the rectangle object. The next I will create sketch at this face. You can select and then go to start to the sketch. So I will draw a circle, click finish, and to create holes, we can use the extrude tools. Okay, you can change for booleans in output to the cut option. So to be create the holes, and if you done, click OK to apply. So we need again to create the sketch like in this top face, and I will draw rectangle, click finish, and to set hole you can use the extrude tools, change to the cut option, and click OK to apply. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to make a hole.